How's it going? This is a Zapsurveys/Zap Money full review. As you can see, we're on Trustpilot to read the reviews of other people. 5 star is only 11%, and these are like, I received my money, support team is good, blah, 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 things like that. And all of these do look very much paid, because if we look at the 1 star, which is 76%, and this is the highest, you'll see they require major ID for surveys, worst site, they're robbing the hood and staying rich. And then I've been using it for a while, cashed out, but they had suspicious activity and completely, you know, uh, blocked their account, things like that. I tried to withdraw, but they locked you out. So that is what they do. Okay. They're going to give you a few payouts in the beginning at first. And then once you actually start earning money, they'll lock you out of your account. And this is with most of the people. So don't go for it. Please do not go for websites that tell you that you can make quick money, because that thing does not exist. You need to work hard in order for you to earn money. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one.